Hey everyone, Jay here, and this is our Python lab number 9. And you'll notice something a little bit different. There's no color in all the text on there because lab number 9 is where I give you some code and it has a bug in it, or maybe the same bug a bunch of times. In this case, I have the same bug a bunch of times, maybe. Uh, no more than one type of bug this time, though. I'll give you that promise. And the regular Python editors and IDEs are going to put a little squiggly line and show you exactly where the problem is. And I don't want you to see that. I want you to have to figure it out yourself, although you're going to open it up and you're going to see that squiggly line. And I want that to be a surprise to you when you see it, like it's a real bug. Okay. So here is lab number 9. It's a long else if chain or elif ladder in Python. So I have an input value that's initialized to an empty string, and then I'm taking that input value and assigning to it input from the user, of which I am casting this as an integer. So normally you get input from the user with the input command. It comes in as a string of characters. I want to force that string of characters to be an actual integer number that I can work with in this elif ladder. Okay, so that's not where the bug is. It's not on that line. You get a freebie. That line's fine. Um, we're learning about if statements, so the bug is probably in the if statement somewhere, right? So the if statement, if the input value is any one of the digits 0 through 9, we're going to output some phrase that I've either heard before or made up to go with each number. Okay, so that's it. So you find the bug, you fix the bug, and if there's more than one of the same bug, which there probably is, it's a really long thing, right? It's probably a lot of the same ones. That's it. You fix the bug and return the code to me in Blackboard. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.